Here it is, Friday afternoon, and we are working hard in the Gator. I'm running the CNC plasma all day today, cutting out our birdhouse stacks. And we've got a 2448 that's completed right here. Looks to get prepped and painted. See what we got over here. Another 2448 that is be done today by the end of the day. Check that out. Got some Gator Pit, guys. Got us a Texas Longhorn fan here. Got some more artwork that's going up here. I believe some of the firefighter's emblem there. Griddle firebox, square firebox. I've got a gas grill slash pellet grill right here. That's your gas grill side. This is your pellet grill side. We're getting it put together. We're shipping these next week. Putting the stainless on and putting the guts into it. Over here, we got an entertainer being built. Shells on it. Nice. Very nice. What else we got? Some more pellet grill. Another pellet gas grill. A bunch of Pellet Pro Smoke Daddy hoppers over here. Let's see what else. Got an old Gator Pit back there. That actually came, I think, from Freeport. Been sitting on a beach house down there for the last 15 years. We're going to refurb it, get a nice paint job of it, and make it brand new for that customer again. This is for the company, Gavilan, if you can see that. Custom cut their name and logo in there. Using that CNC plasma, guys. Here's the other side of this container. You'll see this on my website at gatorpit.net. Here's Robin. See ya.